For the global awards, in the platinum segment have Haldia Energy Limited. A huge round of applause for Haldia Energy Limited. Can I please call upon Mr. Sudipta Mukherjee, General Manager, to come over to the dais and collect the Platinum Award for Haldia Energy Limited. A round of applause for the winner, Haldia Energy Limited. The next Platinum Award goes to Bhushan Steel Limited. May I please invite Dr. CBS Sengar, Senior Vice President, and Mr. Rahul Sengupta, EVP and Plant Head from Bhushan Steel Limited to come over and collect their Platinum Awards from the Global Awards 2015. A round of applause for the winners. Moving ahead, Platinum Award goes to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Mumbai High Asset. May I please call upon Mr. Brindavan Pandey and Dr. Sudhir Barthania to come over dais and collect the Platinum Award for Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Mumbai High Asset. In the Platinum category goes to Jindal Steel and Power Limited. May I please call upon Dr. J.K. Soni, Group Environment Head, and Mr. T.S. Shanbhog, Unit Head, to come over and collect their Platinum Award on behalf of Jindal Steel and Power Limited. A huge round of applause for Jindal Steel and Power Limited. Start off with the Gold Awards. Gold Award goes to Renew Power Ventures Private Limited. Please, Mr. Prabhat Mishra, if you can come over and collect the Gold Award for Renew Power Ventures Private Limited. A round of applause for the winner in the Gold category. The next award in the Gold category goes to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Well Stimulation Services. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Well Stimulation Services. Mr. S.P. Nanwal, GGM Head, Well Stimulation. A huge round of applause for Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Well Stimulation Services. The next Gold Award also goes to ONGC, Corporate Health, Safety and Environment. Mr. M.C. Das, Executive Director, Chief HSE. Our next Gold Award goes to IMS University. May I please call upon Professor Balveer S. Tomar, Chairman and Chancellor. Please put your hands together for Professor Balveer S. Tomar. The next Gold category award goes to Sardar Swaran Singh, National Institute of Bioenergy. Dr. Y.K. Yadav, Director, will collect the award for Sardar Swaran Singh, National Institute of Bioenergy. A huge round of applause for Sardar Swaran Singh, National Institute of Bioenergy. Next round of Global Westmet Awards 2015. In the Platinum category, we have the winners as Organic Recycling Systems Private Limited. A huge round of applause for Organic Recycling Systems Private Limited. Mr. Suhas Bhan, Chairman, and Sheetal Adhikari on the dais to collect the Platinum Award for Global Westmet Awards 2015. A huge round of applause for Organic Recycling Systems Private Limited. Our next category is the gold category for Global Westmet Awards 2015. The gold category award goes to Bhushan Steel Limited, Dr. CBS Sengar, Senior Vice President, and Mr. Rahul Sengupta, EVP and Plant Head for Bhushan Steel Limited. A huge round of applause for all the winners.